Welcome. This lecture is based on two questions asked in the question answer section. Divide 789 by 24. As usual, we will write 789 like this. Two is a base digit and 4 is a flag digit. Because flag digit number is a one digit number, we will leave one digit from the last. Now 2 can divide 7 3 times. So 3 quotient and 1 is the remainder. We will place this remainder before the next dividend number. So this will become 18. From 18 we will subtract product of flag digit number and the first quotient number. So 4 times 3, 12. And this gives us 6. If 2 divides 6 3 times, then remainder is 0. But in that case, if we place 0 over here and from 9, if we subtract product of 4 and 3, then we will get a negative answer. So this is not possible. So instead of that, 2 will divide 6 2 times. So if 2 divides 6 2 times, then the remainder is 2. So we place the remainder 2 before the next dividend number. Now 29 minus the product of flag digit number and the second quotient number. So 4 times 2 is 8. This gives us 21. Now maximum times 2 can divide any number is 9. Now if 2 divides 21 9 times and the remainder is 3, in that case if we subtract product of 4 and 9 36 from 30, we will get again negative answer. So this is not possible. So 2 cannot divide 21 9 times. So 2 can divide 21 8 times. And if 2 divides 21 8 times, 2 times 8 is 16 and the remainder is 5. Because 50 is greater than 4 times 8, 32. So 2 divides 21 8 times. Now 50 minus 8 times 4, that is 32. And this gives us 18. Now if 2 divides 18 9 times, then remainder is 0. But from 0 we cannot subtract the product of 4 and 9, that is 36. So 2 cannot divide 18 9 times. So 2 divides 18 8 times. If 2 divides 18 8 times, then we get the remainder 2. But from 20 we are not able to subtract the product of flag digit number and 8, that is 32. So 2 cannot divide 18 8 times also. So 2 will divide 18 7 times. If 2 divides 18 7 times, we get 14 and 4 is the remainder. From 40, we can subtract the product of 4 and 7, that is 28. And this gives us 12. Now 2 can divide 12 6 times. But in that case the remainder is 0. But from 0 we cannot subtract the product of 4 and 6, 24. So 2 cannot divide 12 6 times. So we will divide 12 5 times. 2 times 5 is 10 and 2 is the remainder. So this number becomes 20. From 20, if we subtract the product of 4 and 5, 20, we get the remainder 0. So 0 remainder is left. So the answer is 32.875. As we know that this partition is for decimal place. So 32.875 is the answer. Now there is one more problem. Now here the base digit is 2 and the flag digit number is 7. Because flag digit number is a one digit number, so we separated one digit from the last for the decimal place. Because if 27 divides any number, then the answer is non-terminating decimal number. So we have to decide till how many digits we have to solve this. We will try to solve this till 5 decimal place digit, because then we will start getting the recurrent numbers. Now here 2 can divide 8 4 times. But in that case remainder is 0. So this remains 5. And from 5 we cannot subtract the product of 7 and 4, 28. So 2 cannot divide 8 4 times. So 2 will divide 8 3 times. Now if 2 divides 8 3 times, then the remainder is 2. From 25 it is possible for us to subtract the product of flag digit number and the first quotient number, 21. So 4. Now if 2 divides 4 2 times, then again the remainder is 0. From 7 we cannot subtract the product of 7 and 2, 14. So 2 cannot divide 4 2 times. So 2 will divide 4 1 times. If 2 divides 4 1 times, then the remainder is 2. From 27 we can subtract the product of flag digit number and the second quotient number, 7. So we get the answer as 20. Now maximum time 2 can divide any number is 9. So if we place 9 over here, the remainder is 2. If the quotient is 9, then the remainder is 2. So we get 20. But from 20 we cannot subtract the product of 7 and 9, that is 63. So it is not possible that 2 will divide 20 9 times. So 2 will divide 20 8 times. If 2 divides 20 8 times, 16. So remainder will be 4. Then this number becomes 40. But from 40, we are still not able to subtract the product of 7 and 8, 56. We will be getting the negative number. So 2 cannot divide 20 8 times also. So 2 will divide 20 7 times. If 2 divide 20 7 times, we get 14 and the remainder is 6. From 60 we can subtract the product of flag digit number and the third quotient number, 49. And this gives us 11. Now 2 can divide 11 5 times, but in that case 1 is the remainder. And from 10 it is not possible for us to subtract the product of 7 and 5, 35. So 2 cannot divide 11 5 times. So 2 divides 11 4 times, 8. That means 3 is the remainder. From 30 we can subtract the product of 7 and 4, that is 28. So 2 is left. And now 2 can divide 2 1 time, but in that case the remainder is 0. From 0 we cannot subtract the product of 7 and 1. So 2 cannot divide 2 1 times. So there will be 0 and the remainder will be 2 then. From 20, now we can subtract the product of 7 and 0, that is 0. So only 20 is left. Again 9 times we can try. We are able to reach at the same place, 20. So again we will start getting 7 and then 4 and then 0, then 7, then 4, then like this. Because 27 is such a number which is going to give us recurrent decimal places. So answer will be 31.740740 like this. So I hope this lecture is useful to explain you how to handle such kind of problems.